Introducing StarTech's new line of high-performance, rechargeable work lights and headlamps. StarTech headlamps offer desirable features such as variable power levels, dual-source SMD and COB technology, long run times, and high lumen output. Variable power modes adjust output for balance between brightest illumination and longer run times, while dual-source technology allows you to choose long-distance or wide-angle illumination. All headlamps feature non-slip straps and include hard hat clips for added security, and are comfortable to wear thanks to the front-mounted batteries. StarTech's new family of USB-powered handheld work lights feature state-of-the-art COB technology and come in a style for every application. The all-aluminum pivot-based work light is the class leader for tough, robust construction and features shadow-free 400 lumen output. StarTech's SMD COB pivot light offers dual light sources and integrated hook and magnet for convenient hands-free use. StarTech now offers two outstanding USB-powered folding wand work lights. The standard model boasts super bright COB main light and up to 500 lumen output, and an SMD light at the tip for use as a flashlight. Also available is our new combination COB UV light featuring an ultraviolet mode used to illuminate leak detection fluids and to verify documents using UV technology such as passports, ID cards, and currency. StarTech's new heavy-duty light bar is built tough for the ultimate durability on the job. Two power modes provide up to 2,000 lumens of diffused light that is both bright and easy on the eyes and can be used on or off the cord. Non-scratching foam hooks extend up to 83 inches to fit securely under larger vehicle hoods, while the rotating function helps aim the light where it's needed. Adaptable for many uses, the COB technology produces little heat for safe use in confined spaces. All rechargeable lights include USB cable or dedicated chargers, and as always with StarTech, batteries are included. Visit Surewerx.com for the complete selection of StarTech lighting solutions.